Hey guys, I'm gonna run a small tip by you guys, especially all the investors who are looking to buy good value, regardless of where the pricing is at the current time in the Dubai market. I'm in a place called Jeddah Waterfront. You'll see it's quite a central location. You've got Burj Khalifa on one side, and then you've got Emar's Creek Harbor there. I don't know if you can actually see it. It's out there in the foreground. Right in front of me is Azizi Jawad. Now the special thing about this place, it is a very central location. This is even more central than downtown or Dubai Creek Harbor. However, all the buildings here aren't really priced super expensive. So the per square foot price here has corrected quite well, and they're quite low still. So anybody who's looking to pick up a bargain and sort of do some value investing where they can expect to receive quite good rent in the coming years because of the location and the centrality of it, this is it. This, by God, is it. You know, I always say 6 people out of 10 who invest in Dubai's or anywhere else, real estate for that matter, don't make money. 4 out of 10 people, they make money because they listen to me. This is an inside joke. Actually, even then, 2 of them will not make money. But this one is a tip I'm sharing with you guys, especially the value investors. Watch this place. This place is very central. This place is gonna demand very good rents once demand starts stabilizing in Dubai. I keep showing Azizi Jawad. I'm actually not selling that. I haven't done my due diligence on that, so I'm not really endorsing that one in particular. But this place has some very good developers, including Dubai Properties, set up, and so it's worth seeing. Maybe not the best vantage point for making a video, but it's really worth checking out. See you guys on the other side.